Hello, good morning and welcome to Torch Chasers. Today we are back at TrackTech and Motech to install everything there is possible for a BMW M3. We've got the M450 package, which means carbon, spacers, exhaust, pipe across filters, map, pretty much everything. And I'm going to be documenting Nick installing it all. Isn't that right, Nick?
It is indeed.
Yeah, man. Let's do this. So he's already got the wheels off, and we're now fitting the first front spring. Yes. We had a very dangerous process where we could have died, but everything went well. Nick knows what he's doing, that's why. That's why, yeah. So this is how you install a front coil. Yes, it's in. Good, put it back in the car, that's it. So on the M3 today we are going full Remus exhaust, lowering springs from Eibach, filters from pipe across, carbon from carbon, and that's about it. It's going to be good. TPR spacers, it's going to be awesome. It's going to look sexual. It's going to be good, man. So I'm now going to pull out the exhaust from the Remus box and lay it all out in front of us so we can see what it looks like. And then, yeah, that's my job. So let's do this. So the exhaust that's going on today is from the cap back, so it's just the two pipes right at the back, the two back boxes, and then obviously the Remus tips. So this is what it looks like. Pipes, back boxes, tips. So personally, I think the M3 certainly from stock doesn't sound as loud as I think it could do. When it's at full chat, then it's a bit noisier. But it definitely needs an exhaust, and apparently Mike said that when he had his M3 and he put the Remus on it, it was ridiculous. So I'm really excited to hear what this sounds like. So Nick's just doing the other wheel with the spring, sorry, and then the rest will go on, and then the exhaust, and it'll sound noisy. However, currently Mike is doing all the mapping inside there. So this is going to have 450 brake horsepower after he's done with it, which is a lot of power. It's gonna be awesome. Boys, let's go. So Mike was just telling me that actually with the spacers on this M3, he uses 12mm on the front and 5mm on the back. And apparently it's perfect fitment. So we'll see when it's done. But he knows his stuff, man. So I'm now leaving Motech and TrackTech quickly, briefly, for about an hour and a half, 2 hours.
Quickly by arse.
You've just sworn on the vlog! Oh! Don't worry. Yeah, I'm going for a meeting quickly with a friend. And then, oh, we're a bit dark. Let's focus. There you go. And then I'll come back, show you the finished product of the M3, which should sound ridiculous. I'm really excited.
2,000 years later.
And like that, we are back at Motech and TrackTech. So let's carry on with the install. I don't know how far Nick has got, but we shall find out in a second. So the exhaust is on, carbon diffuser is on, spacers are on. The only thing that isn't on, am I right in thinking that the front carbon bits aren't on? Are they on? Carbon bits are on!
Yeah, you need to lose.
That's right, oh my god, that looks good. That exhaust sounds absolutely phenomenal. So I guess I want one now as well. So Mike is now finally Mike is putting the final touch. Yeah. Mike is I keep on saying finally. Mike is putting the final touches. There we go. On the BMW M3, and they will be the M450 stickers because that's obviously what it's got.
That didn't work very well.
Behind the scenes of Mike getting his boomerangs. That's the dollar shot. Look at this.
Nailed it.
Nailed it. Loves it.
He loves it.
Okay, so I'm literally about to run out of battery, but Mike and I are going to run around the car quickly, tell you what it's got and what it's now kicking things and doing stuff. So, we started off with springs and spacers, correct?
Yeah, well the customer came to us, seen us on YouTube.
It's me.
I think it was somebody else's video.
Oh, right.
But you'll see his car on your channel.
Yeah.
Anyway, follow us on Instagram, local guy, come and have a conversation. E93, good car.
Very cool car.
E93 being a cabriolet, V8. You don't go too wild on, obviously he's not going to track a cabriolet and that sort of stuff. So, carbon front canyards,
yeah.
high backdrop yet again. Fits it perfectly.
Looks
Drives
so
lovely,
good.
Looks good. Looks perfect. Need to get some shots of it down.
Yes.
Spacer kit, 5mm on the back. Everyone looks at me when I say put 5mm on the back and they think what you're doing, but trust me, it works.
Mike doesn't know what he's doing. Oh no, wait.
Yeah, 12mm on the front, lockers all round.
Yeah.
Pipe cross drop-in intake system.
Yeah.
Individual airbox. Sounds great for that.
It sounds ridiculous.
On the roof of whatever original snorkel. Obviously Remus axle back exhaust with the carbon speed rear diffuser again.
Very nice.
And then we did some software on it as well. So delimited. We've got 450 horsepower, improved response.
It sounds the absolute.
Oh, 4.5 is amazing.
It's so good. It's so
Sounds,
rumbly.
you can really hear it, the V8 now. Before it was quite muffled.
Yeah. It's a very manly car.
It is now.
Yes, you have to talk like this if you want to drive it.
I think someone else has got a copyright voice like that one. Maybe.
Yeah, it's me.
There's a guy who used to work on the BBC maybe.
I don't know.
But yeah, that's great. Just wait for the customers to come and collect it. We're going to do a quick clean now.
Yeah.
Some M450 decals on it.
Yeah, man.
So yeah, happy customer, happy car,
And happy Michael.
always happy.
That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace! Get your limited edition coffee cup from Motech Performance now.